Hey guys, this is Zach and Gray with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be unboxing the episode 300 series. Actually, now they've come out with the 350 series. All weather, in ceiling, 6-inch, thin bezel, outdoor speakers. So what's great with these guys is that it's going to withstand the extreme elements. Whether it's heat or cold, you can put these in the ceiling and not have to worry about them. It can withstand all those conditions. Now, it's just a little bit more sealed up, a little more heavy duty for the outside. This is kind of a look at it. This is the back side, which is pretty typical for an outdoor speaker or an in-ceiling speaker that could go outside. And then here's the front side of it. And this does have a rotatable tweeter, which is nice. You can direct your audio towards your target seating area. It's very comparable to the 350 series indoor, just a little bit better sealing, and the way that they did the enclosure here is different, which is what makes it an outdoor ready speaker. And this does have the nice clean magnetic grill, which I'll show you right here. So this is your final product, and I'll show you what it looks like once we get it in the ceiling. All right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed our unboxing video. If you'd like to purchase the episode brand, we do carry the entire line. This is the 350 all-weather speakers. Make sure to give us a call or shoot us an email, like, subscribe, and give us a call for purchasing. Keep in mind, if we don't sell these products, we can't stay in business. We really appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.